Hey everyone, it's me, Chris. I'm doing my haul video because if I don't do it now, I will never ever do it ever. But it's gonna be a pretty quick video because everyone's seen all this stuff who's watched other surgery videos, pre-op surgery videos for the haul. I think I have basically the same stuff that everybody else gets, just maybe different types of stuff. Anyways, let's get right to it. I'm going to show you what I got. So, this is the lot of it I have. We'll start off with my digital scale, which I've actually been using a lot pre-op. Even for the past 7 months I've been using that all the time. Love it to weigh meats, especially because I never know how big of a piece of meat to serve myself, but this is very helpful. I also got some shaker bottles. This one's new. I just bought this today, and this one I've had forever. Well, for a while now. Just for all the protein shakes I'm going to be drinking for the next month or two. And then that brings me to the protein powder, which is over here. I picked out a couple samplers for J-Rob because everyone tells me J-Rob is great, so I tried the chocolate and the tropical dreamsicle just to test those ones out because I'm not 100% sure if I will even like them. But I've also, this is the one I've been using pre-op for my full liquid diet, is the super advanced whey protein from Body Fortress. It's really not that bad. I mean, it's Walmart. It's really inexpensive, so that's the biggest bonus. But it's got 26 grams of protein per scoop, only 1 sugar and 2 fats, so that's not too bad, and a total of, let me see here, 140 calories, so it's pretty good. And I also have been doing, sorry if I'm all over the place here, I've also been doing this one, 6-Star Pro Nutrition Whey Protein, the Elite Series, cookies and cream. This is actually really tasty if you mix it with milk and ice and make it in a blender. It tastes like a milkshake. I love it. It's very good. But it's also got 26 grams of protein in a scoop, 2 sugars, 2 fats, and 160 calories. So it's a little more sugar, 2 to 1, but it's still really good. And not bad for you. And today I actually haven't tried this one yet, but it's Isopure and it's unflavored. This I'm going to be using in other foods, obviously, not just as a shake. This is kind of my backup. If I feel like I'm not getting enough protein, I can stick a scoop of this in a baggie and sprinkle it on all my foods throughout the day, because this is very pure. It's got, I think, no fat, no sugar, and 26 grams of protein also. So, and let's see, 110 calories a scoop. Pretty good. That'll be handy. And like I said, if you just like put a scoop in a bag and then carry that bag with you and like sprinkle it on your soup or your applesauce or your oatmeal, like throughout the day, whatever you're eating, you'll get 26 grams of protein added to everything else that you're eating, which is amazing. Love it. Also got some other stuff, some little tiny little plates. Everyone gets the little plates. I figured they'll be helpful. The little baby forks, tiny little baby forks. And like old-fashioned tiny little ice cream spoons, because I love these for soup and stuff. They're awesome. Also some little tiny 1-cup and 1/2 cup Tupperwares to store food, since we won't be eating much at once. And my supervisor is awesome. She likes to cook and stuff, so she's gonna make up some soups that are blendable for when I'm on full liquids and blended diet, and then she's gonna give me a bowl of soup, and I can just portion it out and put it in the freezer, and we'll be good for a while on soups. Let's continue. Up until then, though, I also bought some of these V8 soups from Campbell's. These are awesome. I love the taste, the flavors of. I've tried all of them. They're all really good. This one is a tomato and herb soup. It only has 90 calories. You probably can't read this, but it's got 90 calories. Let's see. Yeah, it's too blurry, but it's got 90 calories in a cup, 3 grams of protein. It's got quite a bit of sugar because it's tomato, but it's natural sugar. It's 12 grams of natural sugar, 5 servings of vegetables in the whole box. So that's pretty good for getting vegetables in and still eating like a meal substance. Also, this is the vegetable blend. 3 servings of vegetables in the whole box. 5 grams of protein, only 7 sugars, and 120 calories in a cup. So those are really good, and that's what my nutritionist recommended for full liquid diet soups, because they're already pretty thin, but even like the vegetable one does have corn in it and slight like tiny little pieces of potato. Sorry, I am just like all over with the camera, but you just blend these up and they taste really good anyways. So that's the soup that I've been doing. I also bought a few of these. They're like the whey protein shots, liquid versions. I got watermelon, acai berry, and grape to try. 42 grams of protein in the whole bottle. I figure you can mix it in with some Crystal Light or something. Just to get, if you're not getting enough protein, throw some in your water. Adds a little flavor. Be all good. And this is also kind of the same idea. These were on sale at the vitamin shop, so I got these, protein to go. 10 grams of protein in this little packet. You can stick in with water, pomegranate fruit, and I also got a couple of the orange mango. And only 50 calories, so that's pretty good. And no sugar and only 1 sugar and 1/2 gram of fat. So these are pretty good too. And those are, I think, Vitamin Shop brand. I'm not sure. Anyways, sounded like a good idea. I also got my blender up here. I got the Ninja blender. It came with the big one and the little one. This one's the only one I've actually used so far for protein shakes. But mixing up big batches of soups or multiple servings of a protein shake for the day, maybe use the bigger one. I'm sure it'll become in handy. I mean, sounds like a good idea, right? Other than that, I've just, I've tried to not spend as little money as possible. This was probably all, it gets up there. The blender was probably like $50, the scale about $25. The blender bottles are about $8 each. The Isopure was $45, but the super advanced was only about 18 or 20. I think 15 or 18, and then this one's about 18 or 20, the 6-star. So it adds up. The soups are about $2.50 each. So I'm really bad with talking and like directing my thought process and holding the camera, so I apologize if I'm all over the place. But yeah, the soups were $2.50 each, and I bought like 12 of them. And then these things were like $2.50 each, plus these were only $1. So, and these were $2.50 each. But I only bought 2 of those. So all good. Really, it adds up quick, but I figure you'd rather buy things that you're going to need and will help you recover and help you get that protein in an effective way. That way you heal faster and you stay stronger and all that good stuff, the recovery. So that's my haul. Yes, I probably have a few more things to get. I can't think of what right now, but if anyone knows of anything that maybe I should check to see if I have that I will need, go ahead and let me know. Say, hey, you should go pick up that. It was helpful for me. That's always good to do. Anyways, I'm going to call it good. My kid's going crazy in his room. But I'm going to make another video on Sunday for the night before surgery. Only 2 more days. I'm super excited. Today was my last day at work. It felt so good to leave. I was like, oh, I don't have to worry about this place for 6 weeks. Thank you, Jesus. But so yeah, good stuff. I will let you guys go now. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will be back on Sunday. Alright, bye.